Stop! If your bank account is empty by the 15th, you are falling into 10 silent money traps. Today, I'm sharing how I escaped them. Stick around because mistake number 10 changed my life.
Mistake 1. Impulse buying. My tip? I follow the 24-hour rule. I wait 24 hours before buying any non-essential item. If I still want it, only then I buy it.
Mistake 2. Paying only the minimum on credit cards. This is a debt trap. I make sure I always pay the full balance on time to avoid high interest. Mistake 3. Paying for unused subscriptions. I audit my bank statement every month and cancel any service I haven't used in the last 30 days.
Mistake 4. Not tracking daily expenses. I keep a simple diary to log every penny. If you don't track your money, you can never control it.
Mistake 5. Keeping all your cash in a low-interest savings account. I move my extra savings into higher-yield funds so my money actually works for me.
Mistake 6. Ignoring inflation. To beat it, I invest in assets that grow faster than the cost of living. Don't let your money die in a bank account.
Mistake 7. Investing based on hype. Investing based on hype or fear. I never invest in anything I don't understand. I always do my own research first.
Mistake 8. Comparing your journey to others. I stay off social media when I feel the urge to spend just to keep up. You are running your own race.
Mistake 9. Relying on a single source of income. This is risky. I'm constantly building side projects to create multiple streams of cash flow.
Mistake 10. Not investing in yourself. This is my biggest secret. I spend a portion of my earnings on learning new skills. It's the best investment ever.
These 10 changes transformed my life. Which one will you start today? Comment below, I'll reply to everyone. Subscribe for more wealth-building tips.